If this gap forms, should we take it? Honestly, yeah. Right here, it would be above these highs. This would be outside of this 20-minute rule. So this right here does not look bad at all to take. We just gotta wait and see how this 5-minute closes. If it closes making this gap, then we look good. Then we look pretty good to take that. If it doesn't, then we would probably need to wait for something else. It looks like no gap here, so we do have this one right below. Only thing that I don't like is that it's below these highs that we have over here. So for that reason, I'm probably not gonna look to take it. If you want to give it a shot, you can. I just personally don't like. I mean, it's not even that I don't like. It's just that gaps that are under session highs tend to not work out as well. But if you want to give it a try, and then say, okay, if I get stopped out, then I'll just wait for a swing failure or whatever next is the next setup. You could. I'm personally probably gonna skip out on this one. I would think I would rather either see a swing failure or continuations higher, or for price to come down to this gap. That would probably gonna make after the hour. So you could try it out. I'm personally not though. And then the reason why I'm not gonna look to take this one is because we have these highs right here above, and from the back testing that I've done, whenever we have a session liquidity or a gap above or in front of a continuation setup, that usually makes it a little bit lower probability and makes it so it doesn't play out as much. So actually, I wanted to show you guys the updated, and I need to update this on the Discord as well. The updated stats for the Freedom model. I still need to complete 2022. I'm like halfway done. But so far over 1,272 trades. We have a 54%, almost 55% win rate, still above a 2 profit factor. The maximum losses did actually update to 11, which really has only happened one time across almost 4 years. So it's not something like that you really need to worry about, but it just shows that if one day for whatever reason you're trading the model and it loses and you blow an account but you thought you took every single trade correctly and you went back and that was the case, that's fine. According to the model and according to in our big ass back test, 11 losses is the maximum possible. So there is that possibility that one day you could possibly blow an account, but that's completely fine because one, that only happened one time across these 4.5 years. And mind you, if this will load, it happened I think in between April and May of 2022, and mind you, in this month we still finished both profitable. So if you would have blown your account, and mind you, up until this point you would have gotten already 13, 24, and then 24 plus 18, probably like 42 R for the year. So you would have gotten funded, you would have gotten payouts, and then eventually you would have, I guess, I don't know, and plus 8 R as well. And then in the between this switch right here, you would have blown those accounts, but then you would have easily been able to buy new ones because of all the payouts that you already got. And in the next month, in between May and June, you would have passed those accounts and probably got another payout as well. So it just goes to show, I mean, even though we have that large losing streak that happened one time, even in those months we still finished profitable. So like there's really nothing else that you need from this model. But yeah, shit looks crazy. Anyways, back to the chart. We ended up tapping into this continuation setup that you were talking about, Santa. But I mean, we'll see how it plays out, because definitely still play out, and if it does, that's fine. But it probably looks like it's not, and the reason is why I didn't want to take it is because we had this high right above. And so whenever you have highs or some type of liquidity or gap in front of a continuation setup, like I said, it tends to work out a little bit less. I've never seen such beautiful backtest results over huge data. It's really brilliant. I know. It's actually like I gotta start flexing this shit a lot more, because there's literally nobody in the trading industry that I've seen that has my kind of stats over this kind of sample size. So like, I really, really gotta start pushing this shit out more. I don't think, if you guys go on Twitter right now, there's probably maybe one guy that I know that I've seen has a long ass backtest like this. But even then, I don't think his results, I don't think he's pulling out, over 100 or 200, close to $200 every single year. Yeah. So let's see here. After, if we do end up going lower, that's fine. I'll just look to get a continuation set, or I mean, a swing failure possibly. But most likely, like I said, we're just gonna have to wait here for this hour to close, and then from there, see what happens. Yo, good morning, Observant. Good morning, Vansh. Good morning, Mario. Good morning, TS. And good morning, Age. What's up to you guys? Mario, how's your trading been recently, bro? Morning. Why did you not take this trade? Same reason I was just explaining to Santa. We have these highs right above here, and from what I've seen in my back test, I've just seen that continuation setups that have a liquidity level above or a gap above tend to work out less. I mean, this one could still definitely work out. I mean, I don't know, because I can't predict price, but I'm just gonna go off of what I've seen works best, and for that reason I didn't take this. So we'll see. How's your trading been recently, Mario? As you see here, yeah, this one just got stopped out, so it was good that I didn't take it, for that same reason that we just had those highs above. And like I said, it could have played out, and if it would have played out, that I would have been fine with missing out on that move. So yeah, I think Mario got stopped out and then he did. Yo, good morning, CST. Damn, bro, I just know Mario's pissed right now. Pretty sure he took these and then now price stopped him out and then is going back in profit. He's pissed. What the fuck? Yo, CST, how the fuck do you get your profile picture to do that? I didn't even notice that until I hovered over your shit. It's low-key fire as fuck. So is there any other levels? Really, the next level is either these London highs all the way up here or these highs that we're at right now. So continue to wait here. Yo, good morning, Ken. How you doing, G? Did you catch the lungs yesterday, bro? I'm pretty fire. Just on a little vacation right now, visiting my dad. No, I didn't. Which trade was it? Bro, it was these easy ass swing failure. Like, hold on. If we go back here, let me even hit the replay. I'm just gonna mark out the main level that we really just needed. Right here we see we have these London lows. And then we forward price an hour after this 9 a.m. close. We see us close back above these highs. And then from there, back above these lows. And then from there, literally within the next 2 candlesticks, we get an entry model right here. Super fucking tight ass stop. And you would literally gotta know 1 or 2 within that same entry. And I wish I would have been on the call with you guys because this is the perfect trade to hold to an extended target. And we could have gotten in a 4.5 bar out of this. So easy. And potentially even more if we really wanted to, because this just looks so great. But that was the trade. I missed that one, damn. It's alright, good, bro. There'll be literally thousands more of these. Let's see now. If we can form another gap here now that we're back above these highs, now that wouldn't look bad at all to take. We saved ourselves from this first loss right here, just because this entry model was below these highs that we have marked out right here. Yes, price is going higher now, but it's fine. Now let's see, if we get a potential gap here, then that's something that I would be looking to take. So let's wait until this 5-minute closes. Did go more than thrice? I didn't even see that you're in here. Let's see, looks like we don't have a 5-minute gap above these highs like I wanted to get. So we'll just continue to wait. Ideally, probably what's gonna happen is that we're just gonna be here sitting on our hands for these next 28 minutes until the hour closes. And then we maybe hit a swing failure, we'll get that gap made, and we'll get a lot better context.